Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four-star Sudoku. In the edition of Friday, October the 20th, 2023, already solved one puzzle, the three stars Sudoku. Well, this one is um, not a standard 3 stars. I like this one, yes. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the four-star Sudoku number 7305. 7305. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. 24. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is it really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 2 2s. We have here 1 3, 2 4s, 3 5, 4 5s. All right, 4 5s. How about the 6s? 1 2 6, 4 6s, 3 7s, 4 8s. All right, and 1 2 3 9. So the 5, the 6s, and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with a 5? Let me see. Yeah, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. That means we need a 5 here. Yeah. In this column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5. In the third row, no 5 there. Here can also not be a 5 because we have 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here, here, or there. You see another 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in a row above, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 5. How about the 6 then? 6. 6, 6. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. No, cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 8s then? 8, 8. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the second column. So no 8 there. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this third column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. See an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. How about the 5? Still the 5. I cannot fill this yet. How about the 6 then? 6, 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 in these two boxes. Here's 6 in this column. No 6 in those two boxes. So one box left with a 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about? Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 9. We have 4 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 4 and a 9 in these two boxes. 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 9, 9. Need a 1, need a 3. Okay. 7, 4. Come on. 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. I'm thinking. Come on. 2, 2. No. Need a 2 also here. Could be. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. So the other 3 should be 2, 5. Need a 5 here. 2, 5, and 7. We have a pair. 7 and a 5 in this row. 7 and a 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7, 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 2, I believe. 1, 2. Yeah, 2 is missing. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe the 2. Yeah, 1. The 2 is missing. 2. We need a 2 there. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these two boxes here. 2 in this column. No 2 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. The 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Then 4. Okay. Then 9. 9, need a 9 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9 in the first column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in the third row, 9 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left. In this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So here, 2 missing numbers then. In this column, the 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left with 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Need a 9 here. 7. Need a 7. Okay, and now. 4. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 4 in the second row. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there in the second row. Here or there, we see another 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. So we need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a... Well, the missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. Well, 2, 3, 7. Cannot fill this yet. 5, 2, 3, 7. Come on. Need a 9. Well, 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and a no. We have a 2 here. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. 3 and 7. No, cannot fill this yet. So we need a 2 there. Yeah. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Let me mark those. But here is a 3 and a 7, so here can be a 2. So the 2 should be in one of these 2 boxes in this big square. Let me mark those. It means that we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Okay, 1, 3, and need a 9 here. Yeah, need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for 9. Could be here, could be there. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. 9. 6, 6, 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for 6. Could be here, could be there. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column. Third column. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7. We have a 7 here, so this should be the 1 or a 3. So we have a pair, 1 and a 3. Here can be a... Here we have a 7 there, 7. This should be the 7 then. Okay. And that box should be a 3 then. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 7. And we have a pair. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, last column. So in the column between only 2 places left for the 7. Goes together with the 6 as a pair. 7, 6, 7, 6. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 or a 3, we have a 3 now. So this box should be a 1. That box should be a 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left here. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. Well, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay, 1 box left in the last column for number, I believe the 1. Yeah, 1 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Here, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. Now 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. How about here, the 2 and a 4? Cannot fill this yet. Oh, well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.